SST books.
SST books, page number 142. Social studies period. Take your social studies book out, page number 142.
Ma'am, which page number?
142.
Ma'am, which book?
Social studies book. This is your social studies period. Children, since you are attending
Ma'am,
classes from home, please make a timetable, okay, and keep it somewhere near you. Right? Make your timetable and keep it somewhere new along with the timings. Also write the timings in that. I've already posted the timings in the class group so that you know what time your class period is getting over, which is the next period, when is your break. Okay, please keep a track of all this. So keep your timetable and the timing somewhere around you. Make a timetable, write all the timings in that and keep it somewhere near you. Good. Ready with your books now? Shall we begin? All right.
Yes,
Now,
yes,
yesterday we
ma'am.
were doing
Page
the
number
test
140.
42. Yes, yesterday we were doing the test paper 4. We had finished with the A, B, C exercises. Now come to exercise D. What do you know about these religions of India? Now, the names of a few religions are given there. 5 religions: Sikhism, Islam, Judaism, Hinduism, and Christianity. Now, page number 127. Open to page 127, all of you. Open your books to page 127 and see on page number 127 you have, it starts talking about the religions, right? So from here you are going to pick up points and write on this page. Okay, at least 2 points about each religion. At least 2 points about each religion. Start writing. Start writing at least 2 points about each religion, and then I'll ask you to read it out. All of you start doing it. The first one is Sikhism. Sikhism is given on page number 129. Sikhism began in the 16th century in North India with the teachings of Guru Nanak and the 9 successive gurus. Guru Nanak was born in Talwandi, that is now in Pakistan. His teachings are contained in the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikhs. Punjab is the spiritual home of the Sikhs. You can write any 2 points from here on this page. Start writing. Vedantika, finished?
Yes, ma'am.
You finished writing 2 points?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the next given here is Islam. The next religion given there is Islam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, write about Islam. 2 points about Islam. You have it on
Ma'am,
page
it's
number
on page number 128.
128. Right, Pragya? 128. Pick up 2 points from there. Though Islam came to India in the early 7th century with the advent of the Arab traders, yet it started to become a major religion during the Muslim conquest in the Indian subcontinent. The spread of Islam in India mostly took place under the Delhi Sultanate, that is between 1206 to 1526. Islam was founded about
Ma'am, I
1400
have
years
done.
ago. Okay, from here pick up two
Ma'am, I have
points.
done the exercise.
Okay, good. The followers of Islam are called the Muslims. The Quran is the holy book of the Muslims. Prophet Muhammad brought the message of peace and universal brotherhood to the people of Arabia. The Muslims represent the minority in Jammu and Kashmir and Lakshadweep. Write any 2 points from there.
Okay, ma'am.
Hashir, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Wajia?
Yes, ma'am. Then.
Okay, Raza is done with it. Raza, you finished with the 2 points for Islam?
No, ma'am.
Okay, right. Write 2 points each for
Ma'am, I
Mosul.
apprend the all.
Aradh is finished all. Aradh, switch on the
Yes,
camera. Show me your
ma'am.
book, child.
I
Let
have
me
done the
see.
2 points.
Show me your book, Aradh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya, I was waiting to see. The next is Judaism. The next is Judaism. You'll find it on page number 129. Judaism is a religion practiced by the Jews. There exists a very small number of Jews in India. They are mostly found in Mumbai. Manya, are you writing a child? Manya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am, I've done the Judaism.
Okay, good. Next, go to Hinduism now. Next, start writing about Hinduism. You'll find it on page number 127. The Harappan people of the Indus Valley civilization, which lasted from here to here. And then the origin of Hinduism includes cultural events of the Indus Valley civilization. Sanvi Yadav, are you writing, child? Sanvi Yadav,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, you're writing, child.
Ma'am, I have done yes, the Hinduism also.
Okay. Now move on to the last one, Christianity. The last one, Christianity. That's given on page number 129. Jesus Christ was born more than 2000 years ago in Palestine. He founded the religion named after him. His teachings are contained in the holy book called the Bible. He taught love and forgiveness to mankind. One of his followers, St. Thomas, introduced Christianity in India. I hope all of you are writing, those who've got their cameras off. I hope you're all writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Mubashir,
Yes, ma'am. I'm writing.
Sanvi Verma,
No, I'm writing. Ma'am, I am also writing.
Okay, Divyansh Chauhan.
Ma'am, I have done the Christianity.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am, I am also writing.
All right. Anyone who's finished all?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What about the others, children? Yes, Anandita, finished? Good. Hurry up, the others. Just 2 points each. All right. Aradhya. Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Read what you have written about Sikhism. Read the 2 points that you've written about Sikhism in the book.
Ma'am, I have done.
All right, Vedantika. Good. Aradhya, I'm waiting to hear you. I was waiting to see your book also. You did not show me. Switch on your camera, child. Aradhya. All right, Vedantika,
Yes,
you read.
ma'am.
Aradhya, now you wait. Vedantika, read what you have written about Sikhism.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Sikhism began in the 6th century in North
16th
India.
century. In the 16th century.
Yes,
Yes.
in North India, with the teaching of the Guru Nanak, that
The
Guru Nanak,
yes.
and the 9 successive Gurus.
Okay.
Gurus.
Hmm.
The holy books of Sikh is Guru Granth Sahib.
All right. Good. Shonish, let's hear you what you have written about Islam.
Mm, Through Islam came in India
Though
in
Islam
7th
came. Though
century.
Islam came. When you're writing it, you write Islam came to India in the. Yes. Read
In
out.
7th century, the spread of Islam in India mostly took place in Delhi, Sultanate.
Under the Delhi Sultanate. That's pronounced as Sultanate. Okay, the Delhi
Okay, ma'am.
Sultanate. The people who were ruling that time, that was known as the Delhi Sultanate.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Anandita, read what you have written about Judaism.
But I also read it.
Okay, good.
Judaism is a religion practiced by the Jews. There exists a very small number of Jews in India. They are mostly found in Mumbai.
Okay, good. Raza, read what you have written about Hinduism.
Okay, ma'am. The Harappan people of the Indus Valley civilization, which
Civilization.
lasted from 3300 minus 1700 BC and was central around the Indus and Ghaggar Hakra river valleys.
Now, here they are not saying anything about the religion, how it started. See, the next paragraph says the origin of Hinduism includes cultural events of the Indus Valley civilization. Right? You can write that point. Then you can also write the oldest surviving text of Hinduism is the Rig Veda. You have to write about the religion. The first paragraph is talking more of the Harappan people, the civilization, right? So you pick up points from the second paragraph, children. The origin, the oldest surviving text, then the earliest versions of the epic poems, the Mahabharata and Ramayana, right? Then the holy book, you can write about the holy book. Now, the next point, Christianity. Okay. All right, Mubashir, read what you've written about Christianity.
No, ma'am, I am written.
Yes, read.
No, ma'am, I am not written.
You haven't written. Okay. Aradhya, have you
Ma'am,
written?
no, ma'am, I am writing.
Okay. Aradhya, have you written?
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
Then what are
Ma'am.
you doing? Hurry up. Yusuf, you've
Ma'am.
written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read it out. Raza, you just settle that Hinduism part, okay? Take points from the second paragraph, child.
Christianity.
Christianity.
Christianity, holy book is Bible. He founded the religion after him.
The holy books of the Christian is?
Bible. He
Yes.
founded the religion after him.
Who founded the religion? You have to write the name. Okay, you have to write the name, Yusuf.
Jesus.
Jesus Christ was born. You have to write Jesus Christ founded the religion named after him.
Jesus Christ was born in Palestine.
Yes. So when Yusuf, when you're writing the sentence, he founded, instead of he, you write over there Jesus Christ. Okay. All right. Sanvi Verma, you read what you have written about Sikhism. Let's hear you.
Ma'am, I have done of Sikhism.
Okay, Aradhya, you read. Sanvi is not ready. I think she hasn't switched on the mic as yet.
Okay, ma'am. Sikhism began to 16th century in North India
Century.
with the
That word
teaching
is
of
pronounced as century.
century. Okay, ma'am. Century of North
In
India
North
with the
India,
teaching of in North India teaching of Guru Nanak and nine
successive.
successive
Successive. Who succeeded after that? One
successor
after another.
Guru. Guru Nanak was born in Talwandi, now is in
Talwandi.
Pakistan.
Yes.
Talwandi
Okay.
now is in Pakistan.
All right. Okay, let's see.
Ma'am, I
Abdul
have
Rahman.
done.
Trisha, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
You're late for class, child. Attendance is already taken in the first period, right? You have to join classes right from the first period. We are doing social studies. Trisha, page number 142, exercise D. Children are doing that exercise in the book right now and they are reading out points. So you also start doing it now.
I have done.
Page number 142.
I'm
Okay.
in SSC book. Done all.
All right. Who has joined from Mohammed Hassan ID? Is that Wajia?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Wajia. Now you read what you have written about Islam.
Islam, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 second. So Islam came to India in the early 7th century.
Early
The
7th century.
century with the advent of the Arab, Arab traders. Yet
Traders.
it started to traders Yet it started to become a major religion during the
Muslim conquest.
Muslim conquer in countries in the India
Subcontinent.
subcontinent. Yes, ma'am.
Now listen, children. When you are writing points about the different religions, that entire paragraph talks about Islam. So you need to write things which are relevant, which are more important. For example, see the next paragraph says that Prophet Muhammad was he was a founder. Islam was founded about 1400 years ago by Prophet Muhammad. So you can write that point. Then you can write where he was born. Then you can write what the people are called, the followers, what are they called. Okay? Then you can write about the holy book of the Muslims and what was the message that Prophet Muhammad preached. So these are the more relevant points, children. The first paragraph is just telling you about the origin. Sanvi, just listen. Just listen first. The first paragraph is talking about the origin. The second paragraph is telling you the more relevant points about the religion. So please pick up points from there. Same for Hinduism. The first paragraph talks about the Harappan civilization, but the other latter part speaks about the religion. So please pick up points from there. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I read the Hinduism part?
Okay, now you read.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your cameras on when you're reading.
Point 1. The earliest versions of the epic poems, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata, were written during the Puranic periods. Point 2. The origin of Hinduism
Hinduism.
include cultural elements of the Indus Valley civilization, the Vedic religion of the Indo-Aryans, and other Indian civilizations.
All right. Sanvi Verma, you read out what you've written now about the next religion given over there, Judaism. Mic is off, child. Mic is off. Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read out.
Jainism. Buddhism and Jainism two
Judaism.
originated.
Sanvi, read about Judaism, child. Read about
Yes, ma'am.
Judaism. Read about Judaism.
Yes, ma'am.
The third one. The third one.
Judaism is a religion practiced by the Jews. There exists a very small number of Jews in India. They are mostly found in Mumbai.
Okay, good. Now, Tejas, read about Sikhism. Let's see what you have written. Tejas, can you hear me?
Ma'am, I was writing.
You're still writing? Switch on your camera. Let me see you writing it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I tell?
Aradhya, switch on your camera. Tejas, finish your work soon, child.
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya, show me your book. Let me see you've written the points.
Okay, ma'am.
Why do you switch off your camera every time, Aradhya? Sure, let me see the points, child. You've written it. Now you begin reading. All right. Aradhya, we are still waiting for you. Svetlana, did you manage to finish it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then you read about Sikhism.
Yes, ma'am. Sikhism began in 16th century in North India with the teachings of Guru Nanak and the 9 successive gurus. Guru Nanak was born in Talwandi, now in Pakistan. His teachings are contained in the Granth Sahib, the holy book of Sikhs. Punjab is the separate home of Sikhs.
You're reading the entire thing, that paragraph. I told you to pick up 2 points and write over there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, any 2 points, the important points you can pick up and write. Good. Shaunesh, what about you? Have you managed to finish?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now you read about Christianity. Let's see what you've written.
Okay, ma'am. Jesus Christ was born 2000 years ago. He found the religion named after him.
Okay. Remember, children, you have to write the important points. Like who was the founder of the particular religion, right? Which is a holy book, and what does the religion teach? Pick up the important
me, ma'am.
points and write over there.
Ma'am, can I read the Islam?
Ma'am,
Yes, Pragya?
Ma'am, can I read the Islam?
All right, let's hear
ma'am,
you.
can
Islam was founded about 14,000 years ago by Prophet Muhammad, who was born in Mecca, Arabia. The Quran is the holy book of the Muslims.
Okay. Yes, Mubashir, did you manage to write?
Ma'am, I managed to write Christianity.
All right, come on, read.
Jesus Christ was born more than 2000 years. He founded the religion named after him. The holy book of Christianity is Bible.
Yes, Bible. All right.
Ma'am, can I read Judaism?
Ma'am,
Judaism.
can I also read
Yes.
Pragya,
Judaism?
Pragya, just wait. I'm still waiting for Aradhya. Aradhya,
Ma'am, can I read Judaism?
just a second, Svetlana. Aradhya, are you ready, Aradhya?
No, ma'am.
Show me your book, child. Switch on your camera. Let me see you. Sayyid Ihan Ali, have you written?
Ma'am, can I read about
Ma'am, I'm
Judaism?
Svetlana, just wait, child. Sayyid Ihan Ali, have you written? Have you finished your
Ma'am, I
work?
am writing.
You're writing? How many? Which one have you finished?
Ma'am, I have finished Sikkim's
Sikhism.
Islam, Judaism.
Okay, now you read about Sikhism. Let me hear you what you've written. Sayyid Ihan Ali.
Yes, ma'am. Sikhism began in the 16th century in northern India. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikhs.
Okay, good. Right, now who has joined from Ajay Singh's ID? Who has joined from Ajay Singh's ID?
Saksham.
Saksham. Okay, Saksham, have you finished your work? Switch on your camera,
Yes, ma'am.
Saksham. Switch on your camera.
Ma'am, the time is finished.
Yes, Pragya. Now this is
Ma'am,
your
can I
games
read about
period.
Judaism?
Ma'am, the time is finished.
Now listen to me.
Ma'am, can I read about Christian?
Listen to me. Listen to me. This is your games period, right? Now what you're going to do is the activity that I gave you yesterday, science activity. Remember, I told you either make something best out of waste or
Ma'am, natural resources.
yes, natural resources on one sheet. So these two exercises, either of the two you're going to do just now in this period, right? And then you have your break. Got it? After that is your break. Fourth period you have your maths. Fourth period you have maths. In the fifth period, this activity I'm going to see. Science period, I'm going to see this activity, right? So now this is your games period.